Dahad. I'm talking to Mark Oliver, VP of Marketing for Efinix. Hello, Mark.
Hi, Nitin. Good to see you.
So, Mark, tell me a little bit about Efinix before we go into a bit more detail.
Sure. Well, we're an FPGA company. We have a new slant on FPGAs, which results in a more efficient, lower power, smaller footprint FPGA device.
And what are you showing here at the Embedded World?
So we're excited at the moment. We're showing our latest Titanium product, the 375. That's what you can see here behind us. So the 375 is the first product that we've got SerDes in. So it's got a quad-channel 16 gig SerDes. It's got 2 lanes of LPDDR4 memory controllers and a quad-core RISC-V that operates at 1 gigahertz.
And what is the significance of the hardened RISC-V in this Titanium 375?
That's a great question. So the RISC-V is something that we've put into all of our products in a soft core. We did that because it gives us a really low barrier to entry and a way for designers to migrate from custom silicon solutions into FPGA. With the 375, we've hardened the quad core to give us the performance that we need for intelligent edge applications.
And what exactly do you mean by edge intelligence?
Well, if you look at what's happening in the marketplace these days, the compute is moving from the central data center out into the edge. Intelligence is moving to the edge where the data is created. And it's important that people get to process that data or extract the intelligence from it before they have to take all that data back to a data center. That means that you need more compute at the edge. You need lower power devices that can operate without the kind of thermal control that you get at a data center. And this device is exactly that class of product.
And why would I come to Efinix? What's your value proposition that makes you different from maybe some of the other vendors?
Well, like I said, we totally rethought what it means to be an FPGA. So if you're putting an FPGA at the edge of the network, you want something that's extremely efficient, you want it low power, you want a small footprint, and you need to be able to take the FPGA from the lab into high volume deployment, which means it's got to be cost effective. Efinix FPGAs fit all of those criteria, so that from the Titanium product line, you can go from a small up to a 1 million logic element device, take it from the lab right into high volume deployment.
And you have quite a history in the industry already.
Yes, we do. We're about a 12-year-old company right now. Titanium is our second generation of products. The first was Trion. So that's the lower end right now. Titanium is the high performance flagship product at this point.
And that takes us into a little bit of another question, which is, you recently participated in the AspenCore Automotive Forum. How do Efinix FPGAs play in automotive applications?
Good question. So if you look at automotive applications, the automotive design cycle is long, a decade long. The kind of electronics that you're putting into a car these days are things like ADAS systems, driver awareness systems, LiDARs, radars, camera systems. Those are evolving at the speed of consumer electronics, not automotive applications. So you can end up designing in electronics into a car and obsoleting that same electronics multiple times before the car goes to market. So you need a platform that's going to give you stability, that you can upgrade as you go along, that you don't need to re-qualify in the expensive long-term automotive qualification cycles. FPGAs are ideal for that because they're adaptable and they give you a long-term flexible platform to innovate on. FPGAs, particularly Efinix FPGAs, are great for that because they are lower power and smaller footprint, and they fit better into the harsh environments of an automotive application.
Okay, and how would I find out more about Efinix?
Best way would be through the website. Go to www.efinixinc.com, and there you'll find details of both the Trion and the Titanium product lines. Go to the support center, and you've got a ton of documentation, data sheets, specifications, everything you could want.
Well, Mark, thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.